Tonight, he's a high-ranking executive in the state government. He even oversaw the creation of Colorado Parks and Wildlife. But now Mike King is under fire because a case of illegal hunting is being reopened. Our Mountain Newsroom reporter Jeff Todd joins us live tonight. Jeff, some folks say this isn't about hunting at all. It's more about political corruption.
Yeah, Tom, this case actually goes back to November of 2013. We were there just about a year ago when the case got dismissed by the Routt County District Attorney. But now a judge has said it shouldn't have been dismissed. A special prosecutor has been appointed.
Sometimes citizens just have to stand up.
It's been a year and a half, but Carl Lupins isn't giving up his fight. He says he witnessed Department of Natural Resources Executive Director Mike King trespass onto his ranch in Routt County.
Drove right into my line of fire, circled behind the elk, and drove them off our ranch onto the adjacent ranch where he had permission to hunt.
Lupin says it's hunting 101 to know what property you are on.
And the Division of Wildlife officer said, you have to enforce this because they catch people so rarely. They need to make an example because it is a big safety thing and it's a big wildlife protection.
Lupin says he could tell officers had a hard time citing their top boss, but King was still written a citation for trespassing.
He knew. The way he behaved, I know he knew the boundary, and he knew he was sneaking on to push the elk off.
14th Judicial District Attorney Brett Barkey dropped the case last February, saying his office couldn't prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. Lupins appealed and asked for a special prosecutor to be appointed. Last month, the chief judge in Routt County agreed, writing the decision to dismiss those charges were arbitrary and capricious. The basis for that decision are not supported by Colorado law. Barkey wouldn't talk to us on camera, but has filed a Court of Appeals case asking for the special prosecution to be stopped.
It's got to be political. He's trying to protect a fellow Hickenlooper appointee. If we had a trial on this, it would probably last an hour. There'd be two witnesses, Mike King and me. It'd be a simple matter.
The case is now being reviewed by the 9th Judicial District Attorney, but no hearings have been set. Mike King declined our request for an interview. In fact, he didn't even respond to our request. By all indications, if he were found guilty, he would pay a small fine and potentially have his hunting license suspended. Reporting live, Jeff Todd, CBS 4 Mountain Newsroom.
Thank you, Jeff.